Welcome to Review Lab. The best brother gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show your sibling you care, especially when you're looking for that perfect item that screams, "I know you so well." Whether he's into the latest tech gadgets, cozy loungewear, or unique experiences, finding a gift that truly resonates can be a delightful challenge, turning a simple present into a cherished memory and a testament to your unique bond. Number 5. The Beard Club Beard Growth Kit. Introducing the Beard Club Beard Growth Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to help you achieve your best beard yet. It features a derma roller to stimulate your skin and promote healthier growth. This is a key component for a fuller beard. The kit also includes a premium beard growth oil. This oil nourishes your follicles and skin, creating the ideal environment for growth. Keep your beard looking sharp with the included sandalwood balm. It provides a pleasant scent and helps to tame and style your beard. A quality comb is also part of the set. Use it to detangle, style, and distribute the oils and balms evenly through your beard. This complete gift set has everything you need for superior beard care and growth. It makes an excellent present for any bearded individual. What we like. If your brother struggles with patchy growth or wants a fuller beard, this kit is the perfect solution. It includes everything needed for a comprehensive beard care routine. If he enjoys a classic, masculine scent, this set will be a hit. What people say. The product is a great gift for brothers, offering a unique and thoughtful present. It's a well-designed item that is sure to be appreciated by any brother. This gift is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because, making it a versatile choice. Number 4. PONPUR Globe Whiskey Decanter Set. Looking for a special gift for the man in your life? This decanter set is perfect for anyone who appreciates fine spirits. It's a stylish addition to any home bar or living space. More than just a decanter, this is a piece of art. Admire the intricate details of the antique ship and the beautifully etched world map. It's a hand-blown masterpiece. This complete set includes everything you need for the perfect whiskey experience. It features a lead-free globe decanter, glasses, chilling stones, and more, so you can enjoy your drink without ice dilution. Show your appreciation with a gift that celebrates life's moments. This set is perfect for bourbon, scotch, vodka, rum, or wine, making it an ideal present for any occasion. With a generous capacity for both the decanter and glasses, this set is designed for enjoyment. If you're not completely satisfied, we're here to ensure your happiness with your purchase. What we like. For the brother who appreciates fine spirits and enjoys hosting, this decanter set is an excellent choice. It elevates any home bar with its unique globe design and ensures his whiskey is served perfectly chilled without dilution. If he enjoys a touch of elegance and a conversation starter, this is the gift for him. What people say. This is a great gift for my brother, he loved it. The quality is amazing and it looks so good. It's very well made and durable. Number 3. Funwares Porta Potty Shot Glasses. Introducing a hilarious addition to your barware. These novelty shot glasses are designed for those who appreciate a good laugh and a unique drinking experience. Looking for a gift that will get a reaction? These are perfect for birthdays, white elephant parties, or just to bring some fun to any occasion. They're sure to be a hit. Surprise the dad, brother, or husband in your life with a gift they didn't know they needed. These are larger than standard shot glasses and add a touch of quirky fun to any collection. These aren't just funny gifts, they're a conversation starter. They're great for breaking the ice at parties and creating memorable moments. Crafted from durable, scratch-resistant plastic, each glass holds 2 ounces of your favorite spirit. They're designed to last through many parties to come. Add these unique shot glasses to your collection or gift them to fellow enthusiasts. They're a valuable and fun addition for any shot glass collector. What we like. If your brother has a great sense of humor and loves a good laugh, these shot glasses are a must-have. They are perfect for bachelor parties, white elephant exchanges, or just adding some fun to his man cave. If he enjoys quirky and unexpected gifts, these will definitely bring a smile to his face. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The features are easy to use and understand. Number 2. FALOGIJE Inspirational Wristband Bracelet. Looking for a meaningful gift? This bracelet is a perfect way to show your brother you care. It's a constant reminder of your support and love. Celebrate his achievements with a gift that inspires. Whether it's a birthday, graduation, or any special occasion, this bracelet is a thoughtful present. A special message from a sister to her brother. This bracelet carries words of encouragement and pride, making it a cherished keepsake. This isn't just an accessory, it's a symbol of your bond. It's designed to be worn and cherished, offering daily inspiration. Show him how much he means to you with this unique gift. It's ideal for Father's Day, Christmas, or just because you want to brighten his day. What we like. This wristband is a perfect gift for a brother who needs a little encouragement or a reminder of your support. It's suitable for graduations, birthdays, or any occasion where you want to send a positive message. If you like subtle yet meaningful accessories, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that fits well in any room. The features are easy to use and understand. Number 1. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist and craft unique spirits at home. Our kit lets you infuse any alcohol base with natural ingredients for personalized flavors. Explore a world of taste with 12 included natural infusion materials. Create endless flavor combinations to suit your unique preferences. Wow your friends and family with expertly crafted infused spirits and cocktails. Elevate your home bar with your own signature creations. Go beyond store-bought options and discover exciting new flavor profiles. Experiment with combinations you won't find anywhere else. Looking for a thoughtful and unique gift? This kit comes in a beautiful package, making it ideal for anniversaries, birthdays, or any celebration. Enjoy the process with our user-friendly design. Key components like the filter, funnel, and bottles are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. What we like. For the brother who enjoys experimenting and creating unique cocktails, this infusion kit is ideal. He can craft his own signature spirits with natural flavors, impressing friends and family. If he's a home mixologist or looking for a new hobby, this kit offers endless possibilities. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The features are easy to use and understand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.